going on, guys? Got a no heat call, and the problem is it's not only does the unit not have heat, but the fan won't shut off as well. Seems like the fan just runs non-stop, but it's not at full speed. It's at like a slower speed, even with the thermostat off, and the fan switched to auto on the thermostat. So first thing I did was checked out the capacitor. It was weak. Swapped that out. Still have the same issue. Checked all my thermostat wires. Checked my thermostat. Everything there seems pretty good. I have the breaker off right now. The board seems good. Sequencer, transformer. The only thing left would be the heat kit there, which is a 5 kW. And I mean, I ohmed that out and put the meter on each end, and I got continuity across it. I just can't figure out why the fan runs at a low speed. We'll flip the breaker on. We'll see if we can get it to do it. Okay, we got the air handler flipped on. As you can see, the fan spins slowly. New capacitor, board's good, sequencer's good, transformer's good. Got nothing shorted out up here, no thermostat wires shorted, and the thermostat's good. And like I said, check the heat strips. I got continuity across from one end to the other, and on the fuse and the high. And we are off on auto. And I can even pull the face off and just let it there. Doesn't matter, 10-15 minutes, still keeps spinning. So what we're going to do, I'm going to shut the breaker back off. There's got to be something up with that heat, that 5 kW heat strip there. I don't know if it's shorted out or what, but I'm going to pull that out and we'll see what's going on with it. Okay, it's our last screw. Hard to do with one hand here. Set the camera down a second so I can get past these wires. Oh wow. Piece of tape. Well, first time I've had that happen. No wonder everything here is checking out good. But for whatever reason, with that being across all the little coils here on the element, it's just keeping the fan on. Shorten it out, or wow. Well, here's our new one. I'm going to go ahead and swap it out anyway while we're here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and get the new heat kit in there, get it all mounted up, see if the fan stays on or if it's off. Alright, new heat kit is in. Hook up these wires. I'll go flip the breaker. Alright guys, we're back at my shop now. The resident came home, so I really couldn't finish filming and talking there. But replacing the element did fix the problem. For whatever reason, with the metal tape there across the coils, kept the blower motor on at a real low speed, which was a weird one. Never had that happen. I'm sure this element's probably still good. If I remove the tape, I'll check the ohm reading on it. It's about 9.6 on this one and the new one. So I'm sure everything still works well. I just went ahead and replaced it with a new one. Alright, so 9.6 on the old one. .7 on 9.8 on the new one. And let's see, we're going to pull this tape off. See if that makes any difference with it off, which I don't believe it will. .5, 9.6. So still getting the same ohm reading. We put it on continuity. Rings out good, just like the new one will. So, well, for whatever reason, not really sure why it kept the fan on low. I'm guessing the board, or thought the heat was on, and that's what caused the fan to kick on, which was at a low speed. But if anybody knows, you can put it down in the comments below. Curious to figure out why, but definitely an interesting call. So, alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.